All right, now we're going. That's some popcorn. Take a leak. Now we're going to get in here, look at all this stuff from the swap meet. So, all right. Got it for a popcorn with $10.50, $20 to get in. So it's a bunch of weird stuff here. Let's go, shall we? So you got all kinds of, you name it, hard on, doesn't count in personal growth, blockhead. Oh God. So this is, you name it, they got all kinds of weird stuff here that people might know and want. You got rims over here. So people bring in their stuff. And if you're looking for something for your bike, you have lights, all kinds of stuff. This is a swap meet. You can tell. Seats galore. Mike! It's kind of cool. $125. If you have a motorcycle, that's heavy. I like it. It's kind of cool. They made it all kinds of fun. Fabricate that together. Cool. Love it. Huh. Love it. I like it. It's cool. I like it. Good job. I love it. $20. Nice. Yeah, no. Cool. Water tower, $50. That's not bad. Green Bay one. Kansas City Chiclet. Eagles, the Idiots. Not bad. Look at that bad boy. Oh. Nice. I like it. Interesting stuff here. You got Hot Wheels. It used to be fun to collect when you were younger. Now it's just, they just pump them out like you wouldn't believe. That. So you can tell it goes from all over the place here. This is cool. I like how they do these. They're heavy. Not bad for $30. I mean, that's something you buy for something for a birthday present. Seats, got muscle. Miscellaneous parts, kind of like it's your own little clean scrapyard. So if you're looking for, you know what you're looking for. You got be careful in the music. There's an old bike right here. That's kind of nice. Side tires. All kinds of old stuff right here. Just say, if you know what you're looking at, you'll know how to find it. Oh yeah. Chevy lover. Got to get away from the music. We'll do all that stuff. Mustang. My brother loved Mustangs. Goodness. It's too bad when they have music, it kind of limits where you can go. But I don't think they'll ding it. I mean, it's not a big deal. You can tell they've got this is the swap meet. Just like if you want to go like to a skiing area, and they always have swap meets. These guys, they probably buy this stuff from insurance companies when they scrap the bikes out. Mirrors. So if you know what you're looking for. Get over to here, you got parted out. This is probably a bike. It probably something happened to it. Bunch of old wheels. Yep. So they probably, like I said, part them out. Seats, that whatever the hell this is. So if you know what this is, you buy that. You're building a bike or something. Come here and look for certain things you need. What's my bike doing here?
Right?
I told you to bring it back to the garage. What year is this bad boy?
What is it, 64 you said? 64.
What year?
64.
Nice. Keep hope alive. I always like the old vehicle. I don't care if it's a vehicle or what. I'm not a bike guy, but I like old stuff.
Me too.
I do. I love going to old car shows, old bike shows.
I just bought a 1960 O's, 98
Oh,
Rocket.
oh really? Nice.
I want to reconnect.
Yeah, I love that old. I love the old stuff. I think it's cool. It's a nice bike there. So like right here, it's a frame right there, Harley Davidson. So you put that on something, put some wheels on there. That's a starter thing in it. It's a 1963. You want 7,900 for that bad boy. So that's how you'd start. That's your frame, and you build around it. You got some seats in here.
Sorry.
So you know what you're looking for. Some have years on it, some don't. $650. Woo! All kinds of fun stuff here. Got some old jackets. $80, $30. Some stuff over there I don't want to go just in case they fire that music up again. Yeah, a lot of you guaranteed it's from scrapping out trash bikes. That's kind of a cool bike over there. Let's go look at that one real quick. More stuff over here. We'll cruise on over here. Second Brigade right over here. For sale. There it is. Heck yeah. Kind of sneak over here before they're not forgotten. You're damn right. So they got all kinds of stuff over here. Leather.
I hate the cold weather, man. That's why I left this fucking state.
Yeah. Chaps, they've got. You can kind of walk over here. Got a motor. Like it's like a regular old car scrapyard, but for motorcycles. Lights galore. So if you're putting together a bike, this is where you come. Gas tanks. Yeah. When I go to the car shows, they have the same kind of stuff. Lights. I'm glad I got it in over here before the music came back on. I like that. I'm a sick world and I don't have a camera. Mega. All bags. $100, not bad. T-shirts over here. So we'll kind of go back over the other side over there, but you name it, they got it. A lot of pro-military. This one's for sale too as well. 10K, like it. Nice. We'll go back on the other side, just kind of get this all done over here. Making a circle around. Tons of lights. What do you guys scrap out bikes? Is that what you guys do?
Yeah.
Do you scrap out old bikes? Old kind of like cars, right?
Pardon me?
Kind of like scrapping out old cars, right?
We buy them wrecked and then
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So I figured that's what they did. That's what I thought. Someone laid it down. But anyways, I think I was over here. Yeah, I was. Anyways, guys, so this is the first one here. I'll run on the other side over there. We'll make our way over there. All right, I gotta get a new battery here. See you later.